I'ma be a legend with the YouTube hits. Hey, retail arbitrage. I stack it up, go hard. I stack it up and flip it. I've been vlogging, dog, getting mad rich. Hey, like a legend with the YouTube hits. Hey, I'ma be a legend with this YouTube Family. Nah, that was all just for giggles, guys. You guys know how I get crazy sometimes. But yeah, I got a little cash I'm gonna bring to New York because I'm leaving in New York tonight. We're leaving in New York tonight, family. I'm gonna be in New York for a day or two. That's just if I want to hit some retail arbitrage. So I'm gonna bring a little bit of cash out there, guys. Yeah, so comment down below how your day's going. Comment down below how your day is going. If you live in the Manhattan area, hey, hit me up. Leave a comment down below as well because I will be in New York tomorrow, Manhattan. Okay, so guys, listen, I'm here with my daughter right now. I'm outside the Goodwill. The last video was a really important video, good video. How just not to go broke. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it right here. Go watch that, then come back here and watch this one. Go share that video, share this video, like it, comment. You guys already know the fam is getting so strong, so let's keep it going, guys. I'm soon, I really think I'm gonna be back on my everyday vlogs because every single day I'm gonna be doing something new. Maybe retail arbitrage, maybe like giving money away, maybe traveling, maybe whatever is going on. You guys are in my life. We're gonna go into this Goodwill today just to see if I can find anything. If I don't, I don't. I just want to see if I can find anything from here while I'm here because I was in the area. Me and my daughter went to the grocery store, which is right down the street. So I decided to just stop by to see if I can find something, you know, before I leave today. And yeah, that's that, guys. Me and my daughter, we're gonna head inside. We're gonna see if we can find something. If we can't find nothing, then we can't find nothing. If we do find something, that's good. We're gonna flip it. You already know how it goes. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Peace.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
Illy, what's going on? Illy. Hey, you came a long way, Illy, since you've been in the vlogs. Last time you was in the vlogs, Illy, you was sleeping in your car seat. Now look at you, big girl. Big girl now. Let's see if we can find some stuff real quick. Come on, give daddy some good luck. Give me some good luck. There it is. So guys, I've been in here for legit about 5 minutes, and I scanned the store enough to know that there's not much in here right now, but I did find this, and I'm gonna list it as used. You check that out, you see what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I'm going to list that and how I'm going to ship it. So I'm definitely gonna bubble wrap it, and I'm probably gonna put it in its own box and then put the label on the outside of that box. Alright, so that's how I'm gonna ship that one, but I'm gonna show you when I get to the house what I mean. Alright, family, so before I drive off and go back home, I want to show you guys what I actually found. It's in the trunk though. It was a coffee maker. It's a Cuisinart, alright, one of these coffee makers right here. Here it is, guys. And yeah, see, used, and it also, it says discontinued by manufacturer, which is an awesome find when you find those. 54,000 BSR in kitchen, 2,000 reviews, about 3.5 stars, not bad. And used, it's selling for 121. Our profits would be $86, and I bought it for $16, guys. I bought it in this Goodwill for $16, and I'm gonna be able to sell it for $86. All right, guys, $86.64. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ship it, and bubble wrap it and do all that. I'm gonna actually try to get it in today. So if I do package it today, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I package an item like this, a big bulky used item like this. So stay tuned if I do pack it today. But yeah, nice find for today, guys. There you go, there you have it. All right, family, so this is the item I got today. Let's take a closer look at this bad boy. almost thinking about keeping it for myself. Now, this is the item I got today. It's the Cuisinart coffee maker. You know, you pop the pod in there. I'm definitely gonna test it to make sure. I already plugged it in and I know it turns on, but you want to, you know, give it a test run. So I'll probably go get one of the coffee pods and just test it to make sure everything's working properly. But then all you do for this item, and honestly it's not even that complex to send used items like this. What I'm gonna do is, you see all this bubble wrap right here, a ton of bubble wrap. I'm gonna wrap that really good. It might even like come out to like here how much bubble wrap I'm gonna put on here, just to make sure it's not gonna get damaged on the way to Amazon. And then, you know, actually what I'm gonna do after that is I'm gonna need to go get a big poly bag with the warning label on there, you know, of suffocation hazard and whatnot. I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna bubble wrap it first, put it in the poly bag, then I'm gonna put the label on the outside, probably on the top, and that's it. Then I'm just gonna put it in the box to ship to Amazon with everything, with all my other products that I have. I have a few more products, and I'm just gonna ship that with those. And Amazon, what Amazon's gonna do is Amazon's gonna take it and put it in its own box and ship it to the client. So it's gonna show up in a nice, beautiful Amazon box anyway, and just make sure it looks good. You know, I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna wipe it down. I'm gonna clean all this out, you know, really well, make it look, you know, pretty good. Even though they already know it's used, you're gonna list it as used. And when you list the used item as well, you can always label the condition. You can write down notes, like if it's missing anything, you can say what it's missing. If you still want to sell it that way or send it in that way, you can say like, hey, it's missing this or that. What I'm just gonna say is a used item and it has no box. So like, you know, it has no box. It's not in the box. I'm gonna put that in the notes. But that's pretty much it. And yeah, guys, that's how you do it. This used item, this one item alone is gonna make me around $80 something. You guys seen it, 80 something bucks. So just about what, like 70 something bucks in profit, or 70 bucks or so, something like that. Around 70 bucks in profit on one item. And honestly, I wasn't even going to go into the Goodwill today. I was just by the grocery store, decided to walk in to see if I find anything. And guys, you can legit make a killing. You can legit, family, make a killing off of used electronics. Like, it's one of the most slept on ways of reselling out there. Like, used electronics like this and any other electronics, cameras, laptops, whatever the case may be, those are really high. They can become really high ticket items even if you find them as used. And the Goodwill is known for having a lot of stuff like that, DVD players and, you know, like kitchen items like this. And guys, you can make so much money off of used items, sometimes even more than brand new items. I know a few people that's made, you know, thousands of dollars per month, 8,000, 10,000, clearing $10,000 just on used items. I forget the guy's name that caught my attention when I first started. He was bringing in around $10,000 a month on just used electronics, and that was his thing. He would just go out just to source used electronics. So and the money is definitely still there for used electronics, even more so than brand new items. Like I said, like Amazon is starting to, you know, have a lot of restrictions, especially for new sellers and whatnot. But not to say you can't make money. You can still make a lot of money. You just got to get through it and keep going. But the thing is, used items, there's a lot of opportunity with used items, man. And like, there's a lot of money to be made with used electronics. So yeah, guys, don't be afraid to get some used items. I take the risk on used items all the time. Now, some will say, you just throw this out there so you know, some will say that they don't like to source Goodwill. Like some of the gurus will say that they don't like to source Goodwill for selling on Amazon, just because Amazon may ask for receipts. However, when you're sourcing used items, that chance of that happening is less likely because you're already listing it as used. Used can come from your own house, and you're not going to have a receipt for something that's just been laying around your house for years. You're typically more safe with used items, but I send in brand new items from the Goodwill. I take the risk, like I said, all the time because I'm just me. You don't have to do what I do, but I do take the risk. You can play it more safe and just, you know, list items like this on eBay or whatnot, whatever you want to do. But me, personally, I take the risk, and it's been working out for me, and I've been making good money, so can't complain. Yeah, guys, go out there. Don't be afraid to get used items. Don't be afraid to source used items. It just takes more time. You got to look at it. You got to find the model. You got to search it up. You got to do all that stuff. Yeah, it's more time consuming, but it's worth it because the used items typically sell for less and way more profits. So, yeah, there you have it, guys. This is the find of the day today. One item. Like I said, you see I bought it for $15. Well, yeah, 16 bucks, I think. It was with tax I paid, and then I always donate at the Goodwill, so it came up to 16. I donated $1. So yeah, 16 bucks for me. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified when I upload, because I'm gonna always be uploading. And it's going to be daily vlogs. And if you haven't seen the last video, it's very important. Definitely go check that video out. And then yeah, if you haven't seen the video before that, definitely important. Definitely go check that video. And if you haven't seen the video before that, and the video before that, and the video before, I'm just joking. But at this point, guys, you already know what it is. I'll be in New York tomorrow. Definitely will be vlogging and seeing what's up with that journey. Yeah, it's peace and love. You already know I'm out. Peace.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows.